Welcome to the 2024 Garden Trends. This year is all about sustainable, vibrant, and low-maintenance plants that bring texture and color to outdoor spaces. Let's explore the top outdoor plants making waves in gardens around the world. Edible herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme are making a comeback as functional yet decorative garden plants. They offer beauty, fragrance, and fresh flavors for your kitchen right from your garden. Hydrangeas are the perfect way to add color and vibrancy to any garden. With their large, colorful blooms, they are one of 2024's top choices for creating dramatic, eye-catching displays. Ferns are becoming a trend for their lush, tropical look. In 2024, expect to see more of these low-maintenance plants in shaded garden areas, offering rich greenery and a tranquil vibe. Clematis, with its bright blooms and climbing vines, is set to be a star of 2024 garden trends. Perfect for trellises and arbors, this flowering vine adds vertical interest and beauty. Dahlias bring bold color and intricate shapes to the garden. Their stunning flowers make them a top choice for gardeners looking to add striking focal points in 2024. For shaded areas, hostas are a must-have in 2024. These hardy, leafy plants offer a range of variegated greens and provide excellent ground cover in any garden. Fruit-bearing trees like citrus and apple are making their way into ornamental gardens. In 2024, these trees not only provide fresh fruit, but also add visual interest with their blossoms and vibrant foliage. Agave is perfect for those looking to conserve water. Its dramatic, spiky leaves and architectural presence are key trends for 2024, ideal for drought-tolerant and modern gardens. Ornamental grasses are taking over garden spaces with their soft movement and minimal maintenance needs. They bring texture and height to any outdoor area, adding a breezy, natural look. Known for their striking foliage, Japanese maple trees add a pop of color to gardens with their red and purple leaves. They thrive in partial shade, making them a go-to choice for 2024's trendiest landscapes. Succulents remain a top trend due to their versatility and low water needs. Perfect for containers or rock gardens, they come in a range of shapes, colors, and textures that keep outdoor spaces visually exciting. Lavender continues to be a garden favorite, known for its fragrant flowers and pollinator-friendly nature. In 2024, it's gaining more popularity for its resilience and beauty. Compact boxwoods are gaining popularity in 2024 for their versatility. Ideal for small garden spaces or as neat borders, these evergreen shrubs bring structure and elegance to any landscape. Sustainable gardening is the key trend for 2024. Choosing native, water-efficient, and pollinator-friendly plants ensures your garden thrives while being environmentally friendly. Let your garden be a reflection of conscious design.